Have you ever thought, what lies beneath the waves of the ocean? On the surface, it looks calm and endless, but deep down, there are secrets hidden in layers, from glowing creatures to places darker than space itself. Today, we'll dive into the ocean's depth and uncover mysteries you've never heard before. Near the surface, up to around 200 meters deep, sunlight can still reach. Here you'll find colorful fish, coral reefs, and plants. This part is called the sunlight zone, and it's the most explored area. As we go deeper between 200 to 1,000 meters, we enter the twilight zone. It's dark, cold, and very little light reaches here. Strange glowing creatures live here, like jellyfish and fish with lights on their bodies, called bioluminescent creatures. Beyond this, from 1,000 to 4,000 meters, lies the midnight zone. It is pitch black, and the pressure is so high that normal life cannot survive. Yet giant squids and other mysterious animals are found here, creatures we still don't fully understand. At depths of 4,000 to 6,000 meters, you reach the abyss. It's near freezing, completely dark, and life here looks like it belongs to another planet, including strange worms, blind fish, and bacteria that survive without sunlight. And finally, the deepest trenches like the Mariana Trench, going down nearly 11,000 meters. This is the Hadal Zone, Earth's most mysterious place. Only a few machines and submarines have ever reached here. Scientists believe countless unknown species and secrets are still hidden in these depths, waiting to be discovered. The ocean is still Earth's biggest mystery, with most of it unexplored and countless secrets waiting to be found. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the unknown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Who knows? The next secret we uncover might surprise you even more.